y'all. The pool. That's where I'm swimming. There's like another pool that's connected, and then there's slide. The fireworks from Disney, bro. I've been dying to see this all night. They're so pretty. Mom's in the background saying, "Ooh, pretty." That's what made me. Pull, 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 slide. Pull. Hot tub. There is like water that comes out of that. Like everything. We're watching the fireworks. That's what I came out here for. Wait, so like, is Disney above it or below? Like, is it the purple thing? The purple light or like?
Disney's on the horizon.
Stop, I know that. Is it where the fireworks are?
Uh-huh. So
Oh,
Disney is down below where the fireworks are.
I just now figured this
This
out.
concept is just hard for Bailey right now.
Okay, let's not talk about that. I saw it and then I didn't see it again. There's like weird fireworks, like they're all coming from like different spots. Pink and green, strawberry. I'm just looking at my screen watching fireworks. There's a bug on my screen.
So we're facing
Don't be in my socks. Come on, come out.